In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I was able to generate these illustration images that are stunning with simple prompts. And for this, we're going to use one of the best AI tools out there that you can try out and get the best results. And as you can see here, I have generated quite a number of images that are quite stunning. And to achieve this, I used a detailed prompt that I'm also going to leave down below so that you can also try out and also make your own generation. So look at this image, look at this, and look at this. So if you look at these images, you'll realize they are quite stunning, and some might have errors here and there, but that is usual with most AI models. However, I'm going to show you how you can create perfect illustration images by just using one prompt and making several trials until we get the best. And I'll show you how I was able to do exactly that using this tool. So my name is Isaac, and this is a minute with AI, and I'll kindly request that you stick up to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, to create our illustration, we are going to use this AI tool called FlexClip. Now, this is one of the best AI tools out there that can help you do a lot of AI creations. And among the creations you can make include AI video generator, AI text to speech, AI script, AI background remover, among many. And the good thing is FlexClip allows you to experiment with the free account, upon which you can also upgrade if you like to do so, and then choose a plan that you are comfortable with. Now, once you are here, go ahead and sign up to create a new account, or if you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. So for my case, I already have an account. I'll just go ahead and log in, and you can easily log in using your Google account. Now, here is the login interface you will get to. Now, apart from being an AI creation tool, it is also a video editing tool you can use to edit your videos. If I come here under AI tools, you can see we have quite a number of them. We have image, video, and audio tools that you can use. Now, we are interested in AI text to image to create our illustration. So if I go ahead and tap on it, now we shall get to this interface where we can input our prompt here and then style it the way we want. And here is my illustration prompt. We are going to create a pixel style 3D illustration of a cheerful young woman modeled after the provided photo. She is sitting on a glowing neon box with a Facebook logo, wearing a white t-shirt with a bold YouTube logo printed on it. And in her right hand, she is holding an iPhone 16 Pro Max as if making a call. And in her left hand, a Starbucks coffee cup. Next to her, a large smartphone screen is visible, displaying a Facebook profile page. The background of the phone screen features the YouTube logo with the following profile details. At the bottom corner of the screen, a 3D style Facebook interface floats with glowing elements. The entire scene is ultra detailed, vibrant, colorful, expressive, and rendered in a high-end photorealistic 3D pixel style. So this contains all the details that we want. Now I'll go ahead and copy this prompt, go over to our tool, and then paste it here. Now don't worry about this prompt. I'll leave it down below so that you can also copy and modify it the way you want and try it out. Now once you have entered the prompt, it's time to go ahead and give instruction on how you want it to appear. Now under style, you can go ahead and choose any style. We have quite a number of styles here, but for my case, I'll not choose any style because I have already stated here that I want a pixel style 3D illustration. So it will go and stick to that by following this instruction. And then under model, I'm going to use first. I'll just leave to first and then go to ratio. It is currently set to 1:1. That is a square image, but I don't want a square image, and I'll choose 16:9. Then under image count, choose the number of images that you want to generate per prompt. Currently, you can choose as many as you want, up to 4, but I'll stick to 2. And for each image, 1 credit will be used. So if you check on top here, you can see the credit balance that you have with FlexClip AI. Now, once you're done, it's time to generate. So let's go ahead and generate and then see the outcome. So I'll tap on generate, and then this will take some few seconds and our images should be out. Wow, look at that. These are 2 creations Look at this. You might realize that it might miss out some things. For instance, you can see here it looks like another hand was popping up, and you can also see the logo is not in its place. For this, it went ahead and instead of using the YouTube logo, it used the Starbucks logo. So this is usual with most of these AI models, but you can as well go ahead and generate again and again until you attain the perfect illustration image that you so wish. So if you're not okay with that, you can as well go ahead and generate afresh. It will go ahead and try generating another image for you. So let me generate another creation. So after several trials, you can see I generated quite a number of images, and from them you can see we have some that are quite stunning and some have errors. So the secret is you try out as many times as you can until you get that perfect image that you are looking for. To download it, it is simple. Just tap on this download and then it will be downloaded to your computer. So that's how you can use FlexClip AI tool to generate illustrations for your work or for your presentation with a lot of ease. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.